Be aware of the difference between cotton and linen. Whenever I go to retail outlets, I remember going to US Polo for a training, and I was surprised they were themselves not aware of, so I got them. Okay, so you also can do the same, but be prepared with the answer. So, do you know what is the difference between cotton and linen? Because most of the people get confused. Please remember, cotton you get from cotton plant, and linen you get from flax plant. Cotton, it's like skin friendly, it is breathable, isn't it? And if you talk about linen, it absorbs moisture and it helps like in bacterial infection also, and it protects from UV. Then in fact linen is twice stronger than cotton. So remember these things. Stay connected to know more.